Hello, guys, how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing literally awesome in your life. Today, we are going to learn English while we are cooking in the kitchen. So, what is that experiment that we are going to do in the kitchen today? Without Amma's presence. Yes, it is nothing but just Maggie noodles. You heard me right. You might all be thinking why she has chosen this recipe. Well, there is a reason behind it, guys. Because it is very simple and easy to make or to cook. And moreover, it does not even take us or consume more than 5 minutes. That is the reason. You do not tell anyone, okay? This is a secret. Keep it as a secret. Huh. Okay, so that is why I have opted for this recipe. And if I want to tell you something about this Maggi noodles, it is one of the quickest or fastest and tastiest recipes that everybody literally craves for. And you know what, guys? This is the perfect meal for bachelors and hostelers to quench their late night hunger pangs. And you know what? We never get tired of having this every day. So that is the greatness or that is the speciality of this Maggi noodles. So without wasting your precious time, let's get into the cooking. Oh, sorry, experiment. Let's get into the experiment. Chalo. Take a glance at these ingredients, guys. So these are all the ingredients that I'm going to use. And of course, as you all know, this is the Maggi noodles. Don't think it is too small and too tiny. It is enough for me. And I'm not going to make a big packet because I don't know how it is going to turn out. So that is why I'm using a very small packet, two packets, like 5 rupees packets, okay? And these are the ingredients: onions, finely chopped onions, and chilies, and tomatoes, and coriander, and 1 glass of water as well. And of course, we have to use oil as well, but I did not bring that oil here, but we should also use oil. So these are all the ingredients that we are going to use to make that Maggi noodles. And this is the pan, as we all know that. Don't think that where is the handle to this pan of this pan. There is no handle, guys. It is broken literally, as you all can see. There is no handle to it. So that is why I have decided to use these tongs. These are called tongs. I hope you all know what is this called in English. Tongs, Tongs, tongs. These actually we all use these tongs in order to grab any utensils when they are hot easily. So now let's make Maggi noodles. So first of all, what am I going to do is turn off the burner. We can't make or we can't cook something without turning off the stove. Turning on the stove. Yes, I'm going to turn it on. Oh my god. Yes, guys, I successfully turned on the stove. I cannot show you, but I will show you in a moment. Just wait for a while. And now I'm going to add 1 glass of water first. Actually, I need to have 2 glasses of water, but I just arranged 1 glass of water. So let me bring or let me fetch 1 more glass of water. Till that time, you stay tuned and let's see what's happening. Ta-da! I have brought 1 more glass. So let me add this water to the pan. You can add as much as you want, guys, because I'm following a different procedure to make these noodles. Okay, let the water heat for a while, and then we are going to toss these what are these Maggi noodles into that water, into that boiled water. So let them boil for a while. Okay, now what can we talk, guys? So I hope everyone is doing good in your lives. And you know what, guys? If I want to cook something in the kitchen, I should cook when my mother is not there. If Amma is there at home, oh my God, she will not allow me. She will not allow me means she won't allow me to cook because she will not allow me to do any chores. It is not like that. She knows that I am a disaster in the kitchen. Whenever I cook something, I end up burning the utensils. So she knows it very well, so that is why. So that is the reason why I make videos in her absence. Okay, yeah, I hope the water is got boiled. Yes, the water has got boiled. Now I'm going to add these rolls of noodles, guys. I'm going to toss in the noodles. Okay. Let me show you so that you will also get to know how I'm exactly cooking. See this guys, the water is getting boiled and you can also observe those bubbles in that pan. And I didn't break that noodles guys because I want to get long noodles, so that is why I didn't break. If you want to have a short noodles, then you can break those noodles into two pieces and then you can add into the water. Okay, so this is how they are, you know, those two rolls are getting boiled. I let them boiled until they get softened. So now let me turn off the stove, or let me turn off the burner. Okay, I turned off the burner. Now what we have to do is we have to drain off the water out of these noodles, or you can say we have to strain this water out of these Maggi noodles. But how? How are we going to drain off the water? Yes, now we are going to drain them off with the help of this colander. Actually, this is called colander, guys. There are no handles to this colander because it's a very old one. Okay, this is called colander, and as you know that this is tongs, and I'm going to use these tongs to lift up these Maggi noodles. Okay, and we can use these tongs to lift or to toss, to to turn or to flip. This is one of my favorite kitchen utensils, guys. I never miss this utensil to use whenever I cook something in the kitchen. So let me drain off the water. Okay, I have done very carefully. You should do everything meticulously, guys. And when you are doing something in the kitchen, because when you play with fire, you get hurt. So please always be vigilant and pay your all attention to the, to whatever you are cooking. Yes. So this is the Maggi noodles. Yeah. Now the water has been strained out of the noodles. I'm going to use the same pan for making noodles, guys. Okay, you can see we have kept these noodles aside. Now we are going to add all these ingredients whatever we have chopped. Okay, I think the pan got heated. Now let me add 1 tablespoon of oil to it. Okay, and let me simmer the flame as well, so that it would not burn or it would not stick to the pan whatever we are cooking. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to just toss in some onions. Yeah, you can say add tomatoes or toss some tomatoes. Okay, toss those chopped onions and green chilies. Okay, and stir them occasionally and stir them slowly as well. Once they get softened or once they turn brown color into brownish color, then we can add those tomatoes whatever we left them on that chopping board. Yes, they turned into brownish color, as you can all observe. Now we are going to toss some tomatoes. Okay, those chopped tomatoes, add those chopped tomatoes and give them a good stir. I'm trying my best to not make a loud noise, guys. Whenever I cook something in the kitchen, I make very loud noise. Okay, so cook them until they get softened, until they becomes until they become tender and mushy. Then it gives the beautiful taste to our Maggi noodles. Okay, see this, guys, those tomatoes whatever we have added, they become tender and mushy. So now we are all set to add those noodles and taste maker as well. Let me show you the taste maker and noodles. These are the taste makers, guys. You can say taste makers or flavor packets that comes along with the noodles. Okay, we don't have to buy separately these packets, and we cannot use homemade spices as well. These are the best spices, like a flavor packet that we can use whenever we cook noodles. It enhances the taste of the Maggie, guys. This is the secret of the Maggie. Only all the secrets lies only in this packet. So let me add this. Let me add this taste maker and noodles as well. So finally, this is the outcome of the noodles after we have added those taste maker packets or flavor packets. You can also observe one thing, guys. I have just garnished this Maggie with chopped coriander leaves. Let me slip this noodles into the plate, okay? Then I will show you clearly. Actually, guys, today I'm feeling a bit under the weather. I don't know how would I feel after having this noodles. It may exaggerate my health condition because I'm constantly getting cough and sneezes as well. So I don't know what would happen. Please, guys, pray for me. Huh? I do not have faith in my cooking, so that is why I'm saying all this. So this is the final outcome, guys, and I hope you would like it. Not the cooking, but the language that we used here. We used many, new English words. I hope you also learned some new words that you don't know in this language. Okay, actually, guys, I wanted to show you one thing. Wait for a while. Huh? I don't know if you guys know how to, what do we call these? This is pestle and this is mortar. Pestle and mortar. Actually, we use this, in the kitchen to crush ginger or to crush garlic. Yes, I really like this. See how tiny it is, small and tiny. I really like small and tiny dishes or utensils. And one more thing I want to tell you is I completely agree with all my heart that having this very often is not at all a healthy option, guys. So please do not have these noodles very often. Of course, you can have once in a blue moon and every now and then, like occasionally, okay, but not very often and frequently, guys, because this is not wholesome and it is also not a healthy food. Actually, it is a quick recipe that we can make when we feel hungry. Okay, that time only we can make. And I feel like having this because this literally taste is very good, guys. You know what, I don't like if it is saucy, a bit saucy. I like when this noodles is a bit dry. I feel like having it if it is like this. If it is a saucy, then I don't like to have it all. Yes. So now what am I going to do is I'm going to relish on this Maggie along with a cup of drink. Not the drink that you are thinking, guys. It is a soft drink, okay? Yes. So I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned. Please do not forget to ping me in the comment section to let me know how does it taste, guys. Okay? You will have to say if it is tasty or delicious or scrumptious or it is a savory. Okay, you have to say it in the comment section. So let's wrap up the video now. Bye bye and have a delicious and have a scrumptious day.